Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock. With news, we're moving to an era of chronic economic underperformance. American jobless benefit claims for last week came in slightly higher than expected, and the prior week's totals were also revised higher. These new higher claims offset those at the end of their qualification for benefits and has kept the numbers on benefits little changed. All this was worse than expected, and Wall Street turned from positive to negative territory on the news. And American manufacturers are now in the destocking mode. What started out looking like tight management of inventory levels is turning into a defensive destocking trend, with durable goods manufacturers holding 7.5% lower stocks than a year ago. This is substantial and inhibiting new orders. It is particularly fierce in the car, furniture and office equipment industries, where levels are 10 to 15% lower. US mortgage rates have hit all-time lows, with the standard 30-year now at just on 2.86% plus points and the 15-year just on 2.37% plus points. In China, their Food and Strategic Reserves Administration, already holding vast supplies, is reportedly planning a new major expansion of their commodities holdings. And there is no evidence yet that the iron ore price is topping out, but there is some evidence that shipping prices are past their recent run-up. Japanese machinery orders rose in July after falling very low levels in June. That July rise is encouraging because the export order rise was bigger than expected. In Indonesia, two key metrics are stumbling. First, retail sales are not recovering as they'd hoped, and secondly, consumer confidence is seriously lagging. Both point to severe economic stresses on the way there, and that will worry its southern neighbour. The US Treasury 10-year yield is down 2 basis points today, now just under 0.69%, and the price of gold is up another $10, now at $1,956 an ounce. Oil prices are lower again today, down to just over $37.50 a barrel in the US, while the international price is down to just on $42 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar is unchanged today, still at 66.7 US cents. Against the Australian dollar, we're marginally softer at 91.6 Australian cents, and against the euro, we're much softer at 56.2 euro cents. That means our trade-weighted index has dipped to just on 69.7. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.